In this video, we will learn how to create an assignment. For example, being a faculty member, if you want to, uh, uh, if you want to give any assignment to your students, so how you will create the assignment on the LMS. So for that, you need to log into your LMS account and go to the particular course. In a particular course, for example, in week number 3, for example, you want to uh, give assignment to your students. So for that, first of all, you need to turn edit on, and in a particular section or a week, you just click on add an activity or resource. And from here, you can see there are three types of assignment. Number one is simple assignment. Number two is Google assignment. And number three is the Turnitin assignment. Okay. So you can give three types of assignment. In simple assignment, the student can submit the assignment and the submitted assignment cannot be checked from the Turnitin. However, in the Turnitin assignment, whenever the students will submit the submitted assignment will also be checked from the Turnitin for the similarity purpose. And the Google assignment has both of the options. So if you turn it on, so if you turn the Turnitin option on, it will be checked from for similarity, otherwise not. So we will see all these three types of assignments. So for example, in this video, I'm just uh, telling you how to submit a simple assignment. So for that, you just click on the assignment and add. First of all, you need to give the title of the assignment. For example, assignment number 3 on logistic regression. And if you want to give any description for the assignment, you can give the description in this box. Otherwise, if you have the instructions in a file, you just can upload a file by clicking this button and choose file. And for example, this is the file which contains all the description related to the assignment. Just double click this and upload this file. So the file for example, for the instruction has been uploaded. So here you can set the dates. So when students can submit the assignments, for example, they can submit the assignment from 11th of April 2020. And what is the due date? For example, the due date is 18th of April. You can change the due date from here. And also you can specify the time. And if you want, the system should notify you when to grade. You can submit the notification grade date here also. However, this is optional. Okay. And this is the submission types. So for example, you are allowing students to submit a file, or you can also allowing students to uh, submit the assignments using the online text. So you can choose both if you want to choose both. Otherwise, if you would just want, they should submit the file, you have to check it off. So up to you. So if you want to limit the word limit size, so you just enable this option. Otherwise, if you don't, just ignore it. And how many maximum number of files can be uploaded by the student? So by default, it's 20. Maybe you just can choose 1, 2, or so on and so forth. And what about the maximum size? By default, it's 5 MB. You can change the maximum size. Accepted files, I mean, in what extension the file should be. For example, if you just want to accept the document files such as the .docx or .doc, HTML files, image files. So what type of files you want to accept? If you want to accept all the files, you just click on, or if you are unclear what type of files the student will submit, just check on all file types and save changes. In the feedback type, if you want to give comments to your students, you just use this option. Okay. Or submission setting. So require a student to click submit button whenever student submit the assignment. So they just see the submit button. So if you want them to see the submit button, just click yes. And whenever they click a submit button, the system should ask them, would you like to submit? So if you just want to set this option, just click yes here. If you want students to submit multiple times, so for example, when they submit before the due date, you grade them, for example, out of 5-3, and if they want to resubmit, and if you want to allow them to resubmit, you just have to click here, either manually or automatically, until pass. And if you are choosing this, you have to specify the number of attempts, maybe unlimited, maybe one or two. If you don't want to require a multiple submission, then just click here, uh, never. Okay. So if you want to give the assignment in groups, so you can set the group setting here. Okay, so this is all about the notification. So for example, notify graders about submission. So for example, yes, notify graders about late submissions. Default setting for notify students. So whenever I just grade as a faculty member, the student will not be notified automatically. Grade how many marks are there on the particular assignment. So for example, I just say maximum grade is 5. So I use just simple grading scheme. If you want to specify the grading marks, I mean passing marks, for example, 3 out of 5 should be passed, otherwise fail. So you can specify here, up to you. So this is all about the setting of a particular assignment. Once you finish setting all the assignment, click on the save and return to course. So you can see here the assignment has been created for the students, and just in the end, just turn off the editing. So the assignment 3 has been created by the faculty now. So students on their account can see this assignment and submit the solution online. So we will see how students can submit the assignment online in our next video. See you in the next video.